It is now December 23rd, so Vlogmas Day 24. You'll see this on Christmas Eve. It is time to make the filling and actually put the cake all together, and it's a little intimidating, but the filling will be fine. I'm going to do that now. If you want to see the beginning of this cake, look at yesterday's Vlogmas Day 23. But you're just gonna watch me make this as if you're not there. So I'm gonna be doing what I normally would do, which is measure as I go and probably forget stuff and do things all wrong, which I do sometimes on camera anyway. So I'm gonna measure these things by weight because I also want to sift them in because my cocoa had some lumps in it yesterday and I did not like that. So I'm measuring it in grams. This is Frangelico hazelnut liqueur. If you don't like hazelnut, you can, of course, use something you do like. Yes, I am wearing the same clothes as yesterday. The dog had to be at the groomers this morning, and I woke up too late. So, and now I don't mind if it gets dirty because I'm not going to be wearing it later. This is how I stored it in the refrigerator, but it's come up to closer to room temperature. It's been sitting out for a little bit. I like the other things. So I'm going to gently and very slowly unroll the cake. No, 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 don't crack. A little bit of a crack there at the very end. All right. Now, spread this on top, leaving a border. Okay, there's that. Now hazelnuts. These are the same ones I used for the bourbon hazelnut truffles, which I'll try to remember to link. All right, it's time to roll it up. Oh no, it broke. It totally broke. I don't know if I rolled it up tight enough. But it is rolled now, and it is what it's going to be. And now it's super messy, but it has to sit in the refrigerator. So we're going to just put it back on this pan. Try not to. It's so delicate. Oh my goodness. Hopefully once it's set up a bit, it won't be quite so delicate. There's a swirl. Okay, well, I'm gonna cover it with plastic wrap, put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, but then we have to make some ganache. Supposed to be heating this up on the stove, but I did not want to dirty another pan, so I'm heating up the cream in the microwave until it is almost boiling. And I've got the chocolate here. It's supposed to be chopped finely, but I'm just using these, and we're gonna hope it works. Chocolate chips is what I'm using. It's the same thing I used to make the mushrooms, which I'm very proud about. They turned out really nicely. All right, I'm gonna let this cool down just a touch. Pouring this over the chocolate. I'm gonna let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes to gently soften, and then stir it up, and that's our ganache. My ganache is starting to get a little too hard to pour, so I need to get this going. It's been about 30 minutes. I have to move this to here. Okay, that's not too bad. Yeah, we're going to leave that as is. I think I'm going to trim a little bit off the... Well, first I'm going to do what she says, which is to cut a few inches off at an angle to make like a stump, like a branch. Remove that. I feel like my serving platter is a little bit too small. That's okay. I'm going to cut off the end there. Cut off the end over here. Make it look a little bit prettier. And then we can taste those. She doesn't say to do that, but I feel like that's the only way it will look like a swirl. And now I'm supposed to pour this on. So that's why it needs to be kind of pourable. And it was getting a little bit thick. Yummy, yummy chocolate. I'm going to use this to kind of spread it. It doesn't have to be pretty, but I want it to be covered, because we are going to then rough it up a little bit to make it look like bark. Too embarrassed to serve this currently. All right, now need a fork. Make it look a little bit like tree bark. That's pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna clean it up, put this in the refrigerator uncovered, because I don't want it all to touch this, until we're almost ready to serve, and then I'll decorate it with mushrooms. The mushrooms and the sugared cranberries and rosemary. And we're gonna have a little snack of the ends that I cut off, but I'm not too shabby. That was okay. Okay, it's been a really busy day, really busy. And I realized I didn't talk about my jam yesterday, but I did remember to open it. But I haven't opened the one for today yet. It's our next to last one. There's 23, that's it. We have a mango raspberry lime spread. That sounds very interesting. I like mango, and I like raspberry, and I like lime, so I'll definitely be trying this one. I've got a bunch that I haven't tried yet, so it'll take a while for us to get through all of them because we don't eat that much jam. But you can make a nice drink, a cocktail with gin and jam, or probably any alcohol that you like. So it can be a good flavoring agent for a cocktail. And now it's time for our scotch of the day. Next to last one. Let's see, I have not looked up a thing about it. So, luckily I know how to pronounce this because I looked it up previously. We have an 11-year-old single malt Highland Scotch from Tanninic. This is one of the ones that I messed up about which was which, so that was a big to do. Anyway, it was aged in bourbon barrels, and we should taste gentle citrus, fresh grass, and ginger biscuits. Okay. This is a fairly light one. It is 46% alcohol by volume. And the lid won't come off because it won't. It twists, but it won't come off because the little thingy that's supposed to go make a ring, and it
Hey everyone. It just all turns?
It all turns. And we managed to do it without breaking the bottle or spilling the whiskey. We got 3 minutes before my thing goes buzz, buzz, buzz. Okay, that was something else. All right, so let's pour this real quick and get a taste before my camera stops. Because I have an alarm that goes off.
Sweet. Cherry maybe?
It's supposed to be citrus.
Okay.
Maybe.
Oak. Not super smooth.
It's not super smooth. I don't get grass.
A little bit of an earthy sort of thing.
Maybe.
You can try a little bit of water or ice. It might be better. All right.
Do you want to?
Yeah, wrap it up.
Thanks for watching. Come back tomorrow on Christmas, where it will be Christmas Eve for us. And hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you soon.
Bye.